Welcome to our short video series getting started with Sextant on AWS. In our first video, we showed you how to subscribe and configure Sextant on the AWS Marketplace. In this second video, we will show you how to easily use Sextant to deploy a Kubernetes cluster. To recap, we subscribed to Sextant in the AWS Marketplace, and we launched Sextant using the CloudFormation template, which asked us to configure the stack name. In this case, we chose TST source use demo and the initial username and password of the first admin user associated with the stack. Now the stack has been created, we can access the login screen for Sextant using the URL of the external load balancer, which we find by navigating to Outputs. So here we are at the login screen. I'll now log in using the username admin and the password that I set earlier using the CloudFormation template. Okay, great. Welcome to Sextant. First, I'm going to show you how to create a user. This is very straightforward. We navigate to the top left-hand corner to access the drop-down menu. We then select Users and then navigate to the large red Add button. For this demonstration, we're going to create a user called AppDev1. We will set its permissions as normal and then set a password. I'm now going to log out and log into the AppDev1 user. Given this account has normal and not admin permissions, you will notice that they can only create clusters and request support. Now we're ready to create our first cluster. We simply navigate to the red Add button to the right, and then we're presented with some options to configure the cluster. Let's name the cluster My First Cluster. Okay, we need to select a Route 53 domain. If you have not set up a Route 53 domain, please consult the Getting Started documentation on our website, as this is covered in the pre-flight check section. For the purpose of this demo, we'll leave the masters and nodes unchanged. Likewise with the instance types. We will now select London and the availability zones. Generate a key pair, save it, and then navigate to Create Cluster. As noted here, it can take anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, so we will return once it's complete. Excellent, so our cluster is now up and running, and we can now proceed to create and deploy a sawtooth network on top of that cluster. Thank you for watching this video as part of a series on getting started with Sextant on AWS. In our third and final video, we will show you how to use Sextant to deploy a sawtooth network on Kubernetes clusters. Thank you.